Introducing the 2019 Ford Focus ST line 1.5 TDCi, a stunning hatchback in a stylish blue exterior, packed with advanced features like cruise control, Bluetooth, and heated screen. This car offers comfort and convenience. With top-notch safety features, including multiple airbags, ABS, and collision avoidance braking, you can hit the road with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy cutting-edge technology like Android Auto, CarPlay, and voice control. This vehicle comes fully serviced with a warranty and a multi-point health and safety check. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit autocarry.ie today for more details on this amazing Ford Focus ST line.